Hey there, finance enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and banking tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to view your statement of account in BPI Online for 2025. With the latest updates, BPI Online has made this process even more straightforward, helping you track your transactions, spot errors, or just stay on top of your finances. Whether you're a longtime user or new to online banking, this guide will have you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have the BPI Online app installed on your smartphone or access it via the website on your computer. Start by opening the app and entering your username and password. For added security in 2025, you'll notice a new two-factor authentication step. Enter the code sent to your registered mobile number to log in securely. Once you're logged in, head to the dashboard. Look for the Accounts tab at the bottom of the screen. That's your gateway to all your banking details. Tap on it and select the specific account you want to view, like your savings or credit card. Now, scroll down to the Statements section. It's usually right there, front and center for easy access. Click on View Statement and you'll be prompted to choose a date range. BPI Online now allows you to select custom periods, which is super handy for monthly reviews or tax purposes. After picking your dates, hit Generate or View Now. Your statement will pop up on screen, showing a detailed breakdown of transactions, balances, and any fees. If you need a copy, there's a new download option in 2025. Just tap the download button to save it as a PDF directly to your device. Remember to log out after you're done to keep your info safe. And there you have it. That's how you view your statement of account in BPI Online for 2025. It's quick, secure, and empowers you to manage your money like a pro. If this helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.